Alright, hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Zspeng paper towel holder. This is a 2-pack. And let's see, what does it say? Unique design, easy to use, wide application, high quality. So you can pick this up from Amazon. Two of them run about $30. And I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So that's not a bad way to support my channel. If you click on something, I get a little bit of a kickback. So if you guys want to do that, that's cool. If not, no biggie. I just trying to get this tape off here, that's all. You know, every time you need your fingernails is right after the time that you clip them. There we go. We are in. And let's see what we got here, my friends. Some cardboard. All right, so here is the first part, and it looks like a nice stainless steel rod there for holding your, holding the paper towels. All right, and here we go with this little goodie. Looks like some assembly is required. There's a little weight there, looks like. And we also have, there's two of these, so an identical piece. Looks like this clips into the top there, and this weight simply sets on top of the paper towel. Here is our second metal rod there. Aha! We have our instructions, how to assemble. I don't think we need those, do we? We'll find out. Anyways, here we have a screw and a little felt base. A lot of different stuff in here. Okay. Kind of heavy, this part. This must be the weighted base. Get it through there. Show you guys. Okay, that's it for that. Okay, there's our little base. Nice stainless steel, and on the bottom it's got a nice I don't know exact, feels kind of like a foam, but definitely a kind of a non-skid base there. And least but not last, I think we have a second one right here. There we go. Definitely a nice stainless steel disc there. That looks pretty cool, actually. Okay, see if there's another felt pad in there. Yes, there it was. So two of everything. Another little felt pad and a screw. That's it for the unboxing, my friends. I'm going to be doing an assembly video as well as a demonstration and final product review for you guys. Kind of excited to get this one going. We have a couple places where we just have a paper towel sitting there, so you know, to wipe off the bathroom, and so we have to reach under there, grab, hold the paper towel, roll with one hand and rip it off. So hopefully this is one hand, like it says, just reach out to one and rip it off and it'll be good to go. So I will be doing that soon, and I'll leave a product review video link in the description below as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you soon.